In the world of today, that we have people that did not study public admin, administering the public, and being our policy makers, how relevant could the ego public admin now in this country? Go ahead.
The thing is this, all the relevant ego public administration and any other course.
Okay.
The thing is what you make out of it. You make a go there first class, but he add in here. He didn't consider to add something to create value that will benefit the society. The money gets that certificate every morning and now. Because your people say you go as the society so that you can see how you can fit in. You go say go by the society, study about the system, so that you can be able to see classroom your model will adjust to accommodate the practical aspect of it. So on that note, my Gulagaba depends on the personality of and you go to the only go to engineering or what the engineering or what the hogalo. When go to medicine or what the hogalo.
Yes.
Or matter how to fit in into the system.
Yes.
Because the system does it can boa or gabrina gocha and then we will and our system book. Oh, I mean, at school then one professor was saying policy of Onyia mad. Yeah, who do you know to get what to get job? That is you come and study society.
Yes.
And what have you. And so what I'm saying in essence is that at the end of the day, if how to make it back it when I believe na don't ever know you go kisi but I didn't beside that kisi. Will you go and stay there? I go yagubugi. So you now study the society and know that name will just host there none at the other side. Now 80% of them they kiss, not 2% being at BC.
Yes.
And you case at a kissy. There's no point more in a bending at BC. That's about studying the environment now. Now you now have to what? Relocate, because in 21st century business, you don't you look for customers, they don't look for you. Before 21st century, like when monopoly is the order of the day, you try babos trackers, TV, they check the trackers. But these days, in the whole time, speed the economy, everybody wants it now. If you are motor check it, competition is the order of the day. If your trackers is not working, I'm moving to another one. So you will be battling for the customer. That's 21st century business. So
Dalo.
Thank you.
Dalo. Ibo NISE, NISE is in Oka South, right?
Ezoku.
Ka ihe merụ n'ise jibolo obodo na-adụ da na Anambra State. I think unu nwere nnukwu mmanwụ na-anụ mgbe a Ngozi Nwokpa Agụ akwa n'ise. Because ana m anụ ya na-egwu mgbe a na everything. Kedu ihe merụ n'ise ji wee bụrụ obodo na-adụ da? Kedu ihe merụ nji wee dị ebube gaa n'iru?
N'ise bụ obodo fụrụ onwe ha anya na-eme nwanne. N'ise bụ another obodo dị very organized in terms of leadership. So obodo anyị na-agba mbọ ka anyị na-achọ ka maintain that. I was once youth president of NISE, and when Bang make kidnapping, Nanam we began out of on NISE. I could remember then the commissioner for police gave NISE award. Now, another such article on NISE. So MSA so NISE so they like that piece. How of good president general election, even NISE, everything that got on me. So NISE obodo di and Ibu NISE je onye NISE obuna je jide egbe zuboli. Onana anata. Odi anata. Ozu amakwami I am all the reason. Mano ozu the person that anata NISE. Abi bufie nuzo. So koi pani ni ko mane di pone zu di tine boye NISE. Ozu amanata ine to na agwaga ifronya. something will happen. The body will not come to this. Nothing so. So we need to now again now fear. Now for the example. Onyia, so respect and all that.
Thank you.
So NISE is hosting WAEC office.
Yes.
NISE is hosting Federal Government College within the Oka South.
Yes.
Oka Territory and all that.
Yes. FGGC NISE also.
Yes.
You were not born in the UK, of course. You have told us that you have some history with Enugu,
Yes.
and then UNN. You are not born in UK. UK. At what point did you leave? What made you leave? Was it the whole Japa? What made you leave? Go ahead.
No, the truth is that before now, I believe maybe Obodo I believe and the AGM Obodo Igbo first in 2016. AGM UK, but along the line, no man, Abuja. So Abuja and I operate within the policy sector. So I follow policies. So when I found that policy was having earthquake, and we are trying to analyze carry control of policy. So at the time, what can they now call analyze? So if you are monitoring public policy, you'll be able to project forecast even when it came in. So when for the way Emeka do see the enough 1 or 2 things. It's not better. So unfortunately, but I want this my wife. We are leaving the country. She never believed that I never had such. So on the way policy was dancing, I saw what is likely to happen. And I told some of my friends now around me, that was before where this year worst and all that. But then I'm optimistic that God willing, things will get better.
As somebody that has left because of the unfavorable policies, do you think that leaving is the best option for young Nigerians, the way this country is? Go ahead.
No, I don't think that leaving, but I believe that if you have the means of living and you want to live, there's no way, but because I believe that you get to a point whereby we have reverse migration.
Yes.
To benefit of our people. And again, there's what we call remittance. That you watch last year, I said abroad remittance to Nigeria is so huge, running in billions of dollars. So it's huge. It's helping the economy also.
Yes.
So part of economic behavior. So
how is life in the UK for a young Nigerian like you?
The good thing about UK is that UK, you work and you earn a living. Nobody owing you. So as you are working, you can project your earning in 6 months and plan with it or 1 year.
Yes.
Now, try a luck. This month, but you can, once you are working, you can project you are likely to gain XYZ.
Yes.
Now and this is the minimum. And nobody Emeka now with a lot of job. Onyia, you might not ask with the work, with the earn you are living, with the earn and again, in our role, we can meet up. Once you are working, you are going your tasks, you when we are savings, you meet up with your primary responsibilities. Then you have access to health care facility, you have security, you feel free.
Yes.
So
baby girls, clock it. Umuasa, clock it. Fine girl, Who told you you can't get a piece of land? Who told you you can't own a property? Come to Pine Leaf Estate and Properties Limited. Let's make your dream come true.
Thank you very much. Let's can I buy any high beer? What I go? I just say can you just bat you up by what I go? You know, recently I've been seeing you on social media. You've been very loud and then vehemently talking about Biafra and Nnamdi Kanu, you know, IPOB, ESN. You've been one of the people that have been very, very vocal about that. What I go? Kedi, what do you have against IPOB? Well, what do you have against Nnamdi Kanu? What do you have against what is happening? Go ahead, please.
Okay, what I have against Nnamdi Kanu IPOB is the violence aspect of content of what they are doing. Obuna had a violent, no one here become violent. I want to make anything with them, against them. But the moment you can agitate, but the moment you do violence, and our people know the target. I'm an Igbo man, and I believe in Igbo. And Igbo na so bala. We respect blood in Igbo land. That's why in Igbo land, if you shed blood, Igbo mad. If you kill anybody in Igbo land, even by mistake, you are meant to ball sort. You are meant to leave the community for a number of years, after which cleansing will be performed. Even if you did that by mistake, that's Igbo culture, part of our culture.
As soon as things fall apart.
Yes. So there has never been a time outside Civil War, 1967 to 1970, that 3 months war, that Igbo land, we have a situation whereby some communities are being sacked. From late 2020 to 2024, 25, we started having a situation whereby some communities are being sacked, some armed men occupy community in the name of ESN unknown government. And it was set up by Kanu. Omenube na Anigbo. Kamadu ga abịasị na onwe ọnụ ndị Igbo ejide mmadụ enyi ozu. Anyị eji mmadụ anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Anyị eji mmadụ enyi ozu. So Kanu ga-asị na egbughị iko nsọ is one of his commander. O wee sị na aga eji o wee nọrọ na live video, live audio, broadcast. Wee sị na aga eji wee order na aga eji 2,000 head wee nye. And some of us got worried. I did not start talking about this because I'm not UK. I started talking about this from 2020 up to here. And I visited some radio stations, even ABS and Ogene, I think Ogene FM, talking about this on my own. At the time, in 2021, at the time, nobody dare talk. At the peak of unknown game, I was speaking. I was in Anambra speaking against it. So it's not about them. So only when I'm there, I have been consistent with it. And why am I thinking? I know the implication. The implication of that, one. Hello?
I can hear you. Go ahead.
The implication is that one, Mbo bidoli hands, sisi gbe police, sisi haje ejide police Nnamdi Kanu na-ekwu. O ejide police na live video. Ejide police gbe police, gba police station, gbo police na luye gbo. And we are telling already radicalized members. Ha megini habido mebie ndị mmadụ agbawa ọsọ ndị nwere nnukwu moto ezo moto ha na Anambra anaza anya nnukwu ụfọdụ egolu keke na-adọ ụfọdụ anaza abata ụfọdụ obodo a na-agbagara ndị otu ha na-abata because although too active in our side like Anambra Central, but it was so active in Anambra South and some part of Imo, and they were also raping women. Ha duru ụmụ nwaanyị ha dị dakpo ha duru ha duba na-egbu ndị mmadụ. Kedu ihe anyị na-ekwu? Ọ bụ na anyị rapụ be anyị ha bịa nwere obodo ọzọ anyị Igbo bụ ebe ya bụ onye gbagara ike ọ nata anyị Igbo bịa zuo ike. Now the implication ọ ghọtara mbụ na Nnamdi Kanu bụ na one ọ maazị na ọ na-ekwu Igbo economy. Igbo economy na-ama jijiji already because Igbo economy is being driven by private sector effort individual ndị Igbo na-eme. Enwere much foreign investment anyị nwere ihe a na-akpọ DDI, domestic direct investment, nke ndị anyị ji aka ha na-invest.
Yes.
Yeah. The security, the implication. The investors will run away. You want to into service industry. Imagine with a much contracts because they want a big business known. Open they want big business known, but an you can get big deal. That's how it affects you as a business, as a young businessman. Man, that thing have a name. Do not know about not go begging. You know, you can't convince dollar millionaire they invest there. When you just money because of research, yeah. Because I did investment based on sentiment, emotion. Research often insecurity there about food. And we are calling these people, stop this. You don't get Biafra by this. That is not how to do it. You cannot get Biafra by destroying your home. When you destroy your economy, you have destroyed your bargaining power. You are this. So that is where I have serious issue with them. And I'm from Nandika because there's some Nandi fair now February 2020, February 28, 2017.
Wow.
Na kuje mbiza pochidie nzuko munna selected 15 members to go and meet. I'm the only young person so have Professor Charles Soludo Obube governor then also Professor Denta Udenta so Professor Patu Tomiso and so many of them.
Ostatidoka
so Osta Sunandi Jega for a belly also Nandi got that.
Oh, okay.
Then I went not 2 hours with him. Part of I would be a delegate, right? What was the conversation? The core conversation book. Imanga violence. See what of it on one year to political party, they make political. Here is no I go for my win your side win. When Bosman does okay say many years. Maybe of my Obuni believe in another chicken amala luzo. You will never lose a fair nine and kunaga one other, but you never. Yeah, in legitimacy. Osumba. I say, who say on the muddy or that tribe be. Now, if you not want to buy, not want to guy, that is Nandi or the Condi Bozigi. And him and Andy Bob the name of business and I be number. Bino Bodon Jozo, ring the name of business. We and they are putting their life on danger. About the same thing, men are NSAS, or don't Nandikalu organize NSAS. I didn't mean SAS protest or not Ghana, a will only see. That designer and Mamoya Bonisi, and we see. So government,
it's election season again. Dear esteemed political candidates, are you aware that a good media visibility and advert can help boost your chances of winning? What are you waiting for? BAM Interview is offering you this campaign space to tell Indigo why they should vote for you. Contact us today with the numbers on your screen.